Silk Road Journey is an AI interactive installation that applies AIGC technology to cultural heritage preservation. Audiences engage in physical interactions with the characters and scenes, generating unique commemorative images. The Silk Road, as a world cultural heritage, was an ancient trade and cultural network connecting countries in Europe, Asia, and Africa. We chose 6 representative cities along the land and maritime Silk Roads as key nodes. Each button corresponds to a city. Combining local culture and artistic styles of each region, we have crafted a unique and captivating storybook narrative for each location. The audience interacts with the characters by posing according to the story and instructions. After taking a picture, generative AI is used to create a stylized image. We also support 2 or more audience participation interactions. This approach encourages participants to become part of the artwork, creating enjoyable experiences. The project is developed using the Unity game engine. In terms of interactive generation, the application utilizes the local CONGYUN API through programming, transforming the real-time camera footage into stylized images based on a pre-established CONGYUN workflow. The content of the image and the fixed story elements in the artwork are primarily controlled through a combination of style prompts and control net.